Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Python 3.7 on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, open your browser and search for Python and open the link from python.org. Don't worry about the link will be on the description box. This is the official website of Python. Here you can see documentation related Python. So the latest version is 3.7.2 and we are going to download 3.7.2 on our Windows. For that, click on download and here you can see download the latest version of Windows. So if you are using different operating system, then you can choose your operating system. So I'm using Windows operating system. I'm just going to click on download Python 3.7.2 and here you can see it is downloading and it is around 25 MB. Let me complete my download. So the download has been completed. To install, open this file. And here we have our Python setup window. So let me minimize the browser. And to install Python on Windows 10, just check this box which says add Python 3.7 path. Then click on install now. And click on yes. And here you can see Python is installing. So let me complete the installation. And here you can see that setup was successful. So let me click on close. Now to open Python ID or Python shell, just search for Python and open this IDLE Python. So this is our Python shell where you can write your Python code. Let me show you one example. So to print hello world, just write print. Between this parenthesis, let us write hello world. And to run this program, just hit an enter. So here you can see hello world is printed on our Python shell. So this way you can download and install Python 3.7.2 on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.